CV50Y die-cut irregular shape sachet packing machine including functions, main packing machine, liquid and paste pump, film input, date printer, vertical sealing, bag holding device, horizontal sealing, stamping die device, film winding system. Machines are controlled by PLC system. Optional functions: 1. Automatic pumping packing machine. 2. CIP washing system. 3. UV sterilizing lamp. Irregular shape pouch packaging machine is suitable for packing liquid and paste products, such as cosmetic, shampoo, enzyme beverage, honey, butter, coconut water, shower gel, ketchup, juice, salad dressing, milk, etc.